This is a quick fix for your Blue Yeti buzzing sound. Go to Windows or press the Windows button on your keyboard. Type CON, click on Control Panel. Go to Sound, and this should pop up. Scroll down till you see your Blue Yeti or Yeti Stereo microphone. Click on that, Properties, Levels. If it's decibel, you change it to percentage. It should be 100, so you drag it down to 20. Apply, OK, close. And now you have the fix on your Blue Yeti microphone. What you're gonna do is change the gain from 100 or from 0 to maximum.